Okay, here we are, guys. We're gonna do what we can for the interior. I'll finish off the stereo, and we're gonna have to do some wiring to fix what I showed you guys earlier on that one. So I talked to the boss. I think we may order a new harness for the headlights, and we can put that in a lot easier than having to patch. I don't like the idea of that, and the boss is pretty much the same with me on it. So we will keep you guys updated to let you know. I'm gonna start the stereo, get that taken care of now that that wire, instead of being up front, is inside where it belongs. My mistake. So we'll get that done, and we got the other two dashboard lights, so we got to get some new bulbs. I'll get those ordered. I think we may do LEDs for these. They're itty bitty, but I think it'll be so much easier to have these in there because it'll be a lot brighter, because the old halogen bulbs were just so dim. So I just assume everybody's blind like me at night. You know, call it as it is. So as soon as the boss gets in, we'll go over that and see what we're gonna do with the wiring. Like I said, I'm 99% certain we're just gonna put a new harness in it. It's not a major big deal to do. We haven't gotten super far that, oh great, it's a complete teardown. We caught it quick enough. But okay guys, we'll keep you up to date and let you know. And thanks guys, have a good one.